Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. While Windows 10 and Windows 11 look great with their blur effects and sliding animations, these tiny visual tasks are constantly eating into your GPU and RAM in the background. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable these unnecessary features to make your PC feel instant and snappy. Let's dive in. To start, go to your Start menu, then click on Settings. On the left-hand sidebar, look for a section called Accessibility. This is where Windows hides some of its most impactful visual controls. Click on Accessibility. Now on the right-hand pane, look for the menu called Visual Effects and click it to open the deeper settings. This is where the magic happens. You will see several toggles here that are enabled by default on every single Windows installation. The two main culprits we are looking for are transparency effects and animation effects. Let me explain why these matter. Transparency effects create that beautiful frosted glass look on your taskbar in Windows. While it looks modern, your graphics card has to constantly calculate what is behind those windows in real time. Animation effects are the sliding and fading movements you see when you open or close a program. These are designed to make the experience feel smooth, but on many systems, they actually create a perceived delay. Your computer is literally waiting for an animation to finish before it lets you get to work. Let's take control back and prioritize speed over style. Look at the toggle for transparency effects. Go ahead and click that switch to turn it off. You will notice your taskbar immediately becomes a solid color. Next, find animation effects and click that switch to turn it off as well. Do you feel that? Try opening your Start menu or a new folder right now. Instead of sliding into view, the windows now pop into existence instantly. By disabling these, you are telling Windows to stop wasting cycles on eye candy and focus all its power on your actual tasks. It makes the user interface feel snappy rather than just smooth, which is a massive speed boost for your daily workflow. Now that we have made the UI lightning fast, there is one last tip to ensure your system is stable. After changing visual settings, it is always a good idea to refresh your desktop. Right-click any empty space on your desktop and hit Refresh. This ensures the shell has fully registered the changes without any graphical glitches. I hope this quick optimization helps your PC feel brand new again. If this worked for you, please let me know in the comments. I love hearing those "it feels so much faster" stories from you tech lovers. Thank you so much for watching. Stay passionate about tech, and I will see you in the next video.